Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial video, I'm going to show you how to use Instagram Reels as templates. The process is really easy. I'll show you how. Stay with me. Let's get started. Before that, be sure you've installed Instagram on your phone and you have already logged into your account. If you haven't done that already, then go ahead and do it first. Now let's get to the point. So first of all, open Instagram on your phone. This is the home page. Let's go to Reels section. First of all, you need to know that you cannot use every video as templates. You can only use certain videos like this one. You can see the use template option. Go ahead and tap on it. That's one way to use it as a template. Let's go back, and the next way is to tap on the three dots at the bottom right corner of the screen and then tap on use as template. Either way is fine. Now all you have to do is add media. You'll need pre-recorded videos, so tap on add media. Now as you can see, I have to select up to 5 media, so I'll do that real quick. I'm finally done, so let it process for now. And as you can see, we've successfully used the reel as a template. You can also replace the media if you want to. For that, you'll have to tap on the replace media option. And after you're done editing, tap on done and proceed to post it. So this is it for the tutorial. I hope it was helpful, and don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for further tutorials. Thank you.